gotta try to launch it. Oh, that was cool. It's waterproof. Yeah. Nope. Okay, ready? We're gonna launch it. That's the worst part. Stay stiff, right, Seth? Bad track, but we got this. What, this? Isn't that cool? I'm running like half throttle. I gotta get some full speed here. That was cool. That was a oh. I was steering full left. Nope. Oh. Road out. Hey, watch out! You popped my wheelie bar. Oh, there we go. That's the first cell kind of side. Oh, oh yeah. This is sweet, dude. Rode it out. It's true. Uh-oh. Do we have a wobbly wheel? We do have a wobbly wheel. Uh-oh. She's broke. See if I can fix it. Hold that from the top, not the trigger. Thank you. Alright, well, we're running it till it shreds. So, this wheel is a tidbit weebly wobbly. Sorry. And it's still... Oh. Nope. We lost it. Yep, see that drive shaft's turning. But that wheel is not. This wheel is donezo. Good thing we got a spare. Hang on to that. So, 3D printed wheels. Decent. We got 30 minutes out of them, but broke one somehow. Maybe the wheels itself need to have a little more solid infill.
You ran it through those giant logs.
Yeah, I hit a log. That'll happen. We got a spare, so we'll toss the spare on. The spare's got a tiny bit of damage, but that's okay. These ones are lighter, so they may put less stress on that hub and cause it not to break. You ever think of that? Let's assess the damages. Assess the damages. Oh yeah, she's jammed down there. Oh yeah, look at that. Rounded out the hex. See? So, that rim is shot. Oh look we broke two of the inner splines too. And this one, we still got all 6. Yeah. Because it wobbled, and then I guarantee you it whacked off the 2 on the steer, or on that knuckle. Tire's still good, but we'll have to print a new rim for that. Hopefully I can get this. Oh yeah, I'll be able to get that. So, now, pop on spare paddle. Don't drop that. Sand in our threads. Okay. Crank her on. I might switch both because having a different weight wheel on one side versus the other may not be good. Well, it'll probably work, but it might not be good for the truck. Let's try the other side. Oh, we brought both. I just want to get a see which one's better than which. I can't imagine the damage of the other one is going to have any effect on driving on sand. Come on, baby. That hex is looking good. No visible damage, no lost lugs there. Fresh one, not so fresh, broken, but fresh enough. But these are a lot more lightweight, so they may cause it to have much less stress on the wheel, causing them not to break. So let's find out. Alrighty, so we're back from the dunes. Got the truck all cleaned up, normal wheels back on it. Truck did just fine, no issues there at all, as we expected. Now moving on to the wheels. So the first white set you saw run is right here. These are both printed in Hatchbox PLA. These wheels have the wheels themselves are printed in a 2-layer exterior layer wall. The tires themselves are actually 8 layers thick. So these are significantly heavier. The only problem that I could see with them, they didn't get chewed up at all. The paddles are all still there, no issues. But I did strip out one of the wheel hexes. That's why this one's orange. You can see that in the video. I'll put a clip there. These did great. Definitely heavier wheels though. Now the orange wheels you saw run, these are much lighter. The wall thickness on these is only 2 layers, so they're a little more fragile. Definitely lost some chunks on some rocks and sticks and whatever else we ran over. These are also all printed in PLA. Hexes look phenomenal after running 3 packs through them or so. No issues at all there. I'd imagine it's because the tires weigh less. There's a lot less of a load on that hex itself. So all these wheels were printed on my Ender 3 Pro. Just basic Cura settings, nothing special there. But yeah, enjoy the clips.